Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is the anniversary of the most horrific of all incidents in Canada. Right on January 29th in 2017, 6 Muslims were slaughtered while they were praying to their God. They were worshipping their God. Why? Their only crime was they were Muslims. So guys, we need to remember that this day is one of the worst days in Canadian history. This is one of the saddest and most terrible day, a dark day in Canadian history. The hate should not have any place in Canada, but there is place for hate in Canada. And this is the proof of that. In 2017, those 6 people left 16 or 17 kids as orphans. Their wives have no men in their house. And those 6 people have families whose lives is completely destroyed and turned since then. What did we do? Islamophobia is still on the rise. Hate is still on the rise. Guys, we need to understand as the people of this country, the residents of this country, that our countrymen should not hate each other, should not promote hate. And there are incidents every day now. The killing incidents against Muslims, the hijab pulling, the harassment, the hate, the slurs, bad behavior, abuse, emotional, verbal, and physical abuse is on the rise. We need to understand that Islamophobia is real. Islamophobia is on the rise, and Islamophobia kills. You and I have a duty. If we live in this country, if we actually thrive on the resources here, we need to understand that first and foremost important responsibility and obligation on us is to promote hate and tolerance. Tolerance is such a bad word actually. We need to promote respect and support for each other. If somebody points a finger towards me, every other person in Canada should actually point a finger towards that person to say, no, hate is wrong. If it happens to somebody else, a Jew, a Christian, a Sikh, a Hindu, or anybody else, I should be able to speak up for them. We need to understand that hate should not be given any place in Canada. Hate should not be accepted as a form of expression of any kind. So today, when you hear Muslims talking about that January 29th massacre of Muslims in a Quebec masjid, please try to reach out to somebody. Please try to help deliver a message online, offline, through emails, through text, that you denounce that. You actually do not accept this behavior. And pray for those people who were murdered and families who were affected for life.